this is Buffy with STEM. Today we're going to be making a bomb in a bag. First, you need a bag, plastic bag. We're going to add 1/4 cup of water. Tap water is fine. 1/2 cup of white distilled vinegar. You could later play with some of the science and change the different temperatures of the water to see if that makes a difference. We want to add a little bit of color to brighten it up. A little bit of yellow. We could use some secondary colors. If I add blue to that, I will make green. We're going to set that to the side for a minute and prepare our bomb packet. You need a tissue and about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Oh, there we go. We're going to roll this up so that we can drop it in a timely fashion without it hitting the liquid. I'm going to hold it to the side and zip it shut. Safety. Shake it up. And kaboom.